Hello guys, how to donate a car in California. Welcome to our channel. In this video we will provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to donate a car in California. Donation a car is a great way to support charitable causes while also enjoying potential tax benefits. Our expert team has compiled all the essential information and steps you need to know to successfully donate your car in California. Step 1: research charitable organization. Before donation your car, it is important to research and choose a reputable charitable organization in California. We will discuss some of the most trustworthy organizations that accept car donations, highlighting their mission and impact. Step 2: assess your car's value. Determining the value of car is crucial for tax purposes. We will guide you through the process of assessing your car's value accurately, ensuring you maximize the potential tax benefits of your donation. Setup 3: prepare necessary documents to complete the car donation process smoothly. Certain documents are required. We will provide you with a checklist of the essential paperwork you need to gather, including title transfer, release of liability, and donation receipts. Step 4: schedule a pickup or drop off. Once you have selected a charity and prepared the requirement documents, it is time to schedule a convenient pickup or drop off for your car. We will explain the option available and offer tips on how to make the process hassle free. Step 5: tax deductions, tax deductions and benefits. Donating a car in California can lead to valuable tax deductions. We will walk you through the tax benefits and requirements, helping you understand how to maximize your saving when filing your taxes. Whether you are a California resident looking to make a charitable contribution or some interested in learning more about car donations, this video will provide you with the knowledge and guidance you need. Do not miss out any opportunity to make a difference while simplifying the car donation process. Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Like and share this video with anyone interested in donation a car in California. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel. Thanks.